bugojengera emyaka 25 y'obukoreri bwa Bishop Joseph Mairura nigokorekana rituko uria rero asuikaranwa na barai abakuru asorongo rwa Gusii bakoragwa no wasiri bw'oburendi bwa ime Dr. Fred Matiang'i hamo no gavana bwa county ya Kisii James Maribongwae buno moliki wito Brian Sagini oyo ikase nseme iyo agotwerera asinjira y'obugari
ase egetikia erera ime y'omuchobosongo county ya Kisii nigo omuganda bw'abakatholiki ababishop korwa chingongo ao abanene b'eserikali bakoragwa n'omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i omusubati Susan Muchache omusike James Ongwae Dr. James Gesami Jimmy Angwenyi Ezekiel Machogum Richard Tongi gati yabande abange nigo baika asa yuaso moyega bw'okomochengera Bishop Joseph Mairura okemwa ase obokoreri bwaye obuya emyaka 25 nego ikera ebirengo by'okonyora ekemanyereria Jubilee Silver.
Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Kakamega, congratulations Bishop.
Bishop Dominic Mengich, Askofu Eldoret na Apostolic Administrator Lodwa, congratulations Bishop Mairura.
Jina ni Askofu David Kamau, Bishop wa Nairobi, Apostolic Minister wa Nakuru, natoa kwa Kristo wa Nairobi na Nakuru, ni kumtakia Askofu Joseph Mairura heri na baraka.
Kadima, the Bishop of Bungoma, and my sincere and hearty congratulations to Bishop Mairura.
Bishop John Obala Olewa of the Catholic Diocese of Ngong. I bring to my long-time friend and a good neighbor who is the jubilarian today, pongezi na maombi kutoka jimbo la Ngong.
Ase omoyegoyo nigo abarayobe kanisa baira chinga kichabona gusabira ense ya Russia na boigo ense ya Ukraine chinga kechiga ekero chisegi chigendererete kwene kiwagati ye chinse chibere
and destructiveness. How greatly we need your maternal help. Therefore, O Mother, hear our prayer. Star of the sea, do not let us be shipwrecked in the tempest of war.
Bonsi abaika asomo yegoyo nigo bamotogi Bishop Mairura ase obokoreri bwae anene mono okoraria omorembe na boigo gosugeka county ya Kisii na boigo abarai borogongo.
I want to congratulate you. Me and many people who are seated here who know what you have done in this part of the world would like to sincerely and openly thank the Lord for you. And
you have been the moral fiber of this particular county, the two counties of Nyamira and Kisii, and for that we sincerely congratulate you, your Lordship, and we wish you the...
On behalf of the government of Nyamira County, I want to send my congratulations to Baba Bishop Mairura for attaining these 25 years. He has conducted the Diocese of Kisii with dignity and integrity.
Editorial Brian Sagini Isena.